So the host nation, India, prevailed to win back-to-back World T20 titles and their third overall after decimating New Zealand in the final. Remember when the tournament started, India never looked convincing, while teams like South Africa and even the West Indies at one point were flying, looking imperious, boasting impressive 100% records. But when it got to the business end of the tournament, it was the previously wobbly New Zealand and India who were facing off in the final. And again, this goes to show that in tournaments like these, it's generally the team that peaks at the right time, at the business end, the teams that are best able to cope with the pressure games and the pressure moments. These are the teams that generally win the big titles and lift the big trophies, not the teams that start off high and mighty and then finish with a whimper and a whisper like the West Indies.